There are lots of different social networks, but when it comes to privacy, there are really only two kinds we need to be aware of: open and closed. Anything you post on an open network can generally be seen by anyone, and in particular, those who choose to follow you. You can see what others post on the network too, and if you follow them, their posts will be automatically shown to you. Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest are examples of open social networks. On closed social networks, two people have to decide to friend or follow one another. In general, only your friends can see what you post, and you can see what they post. Facebook and Instagram are examples of closed networks. You have to think carefully about who you accept as a friend on a closed network, because they'll be able to see everything you post, and may also be able to share your posts with their own friends, who may not be the same as yours. Don't accept friend requests from people you don't know or don't trust. You can look for names of people you know and connect with them when you sign up. Once you start to make connections, a lot of social networks will also suggest people they think you might know or might want to connect with. If you friend someone and later change your mind, you can unfriend them. That means they won't see your posts anymore and you won't see theirs. For example, on Facebook, to unfriend someone, go to their timeline, click on Friends, and then click Unfriend. If you want to totally cut off contact with someone, you can block them. If you block someone, they can't send you a new friend request, can't see anything on your profile, and can't send you messages on that network. The steps to block someone vary depending on the social network. Typically, you will find the option in Settings under Blocking or Privacy and Security. If you can't find the option to block, an internet search may help you with step-by-step instructions. If you want a break from someone but don't want to block or unfriend them, most social networks let you mute or unfollow people. This means that you're still connected, but you won't see their posts until you unmute or refollow them. And don't worry, people aren't told that you've muted, unfriended, or blocked them. But if they pay close attention to their friends list, they may notice your absence. For more information on online basics, check out the other videos in this series. Visit our website at telus.com/wiseonlinebasics.